Good day everyone, my name is Ranloy De Bernardo and today I'll be talking about my experience in Holy Week or Mahal na Araw. Since I'm an altar server, I chose this topic because I think I can share some fun experience of mine during Holy Week. For me, this is the most difficult season in the liturgical year of the Catholic Church. This is not something similar to what you know. It's different from Novena, wherein there will be 9 consecutive masses dedicated for the upcoming feast of a saint. Holy Week is different because Jesus Christ suffered here and died. So let me tell you my story. First thing first, our priests expect us to be in charge both in services and doing the decoration on the church. The preparation starts in Holy Wednesday. At exactly 2 a.m. of the morning, we went in Dangwa to buy all of the flowers that will be needed for Holy Thursday. It took us at least 2 hours to get all of the things we needed. Afterwards, we came back to the church to soak all of the flowers in water so it would not dry. When the morning session is over, the night starts to fall and our duty as a server begins. After the tenebrae, all of the flowers that we bought will now be used in creating the repository. We stayed up until the dawn. Lots of tasks were divided. Some are creating the repository and some are in charge in making the retablo beautiful. Yet we didn't even manage to finish that in one night. The Mass begins in Holy Thursday, and it was presided outside the church. After that, we will stay up again in the church from 6 p.m. up to 12 a.m. This is something you call pagbabantay, and it's actually the happiest part of the season because there's a lot of food and people do visita iglesia. Moreover, after the sleepless night, we must wake up again early to clean everything because in Black Friday, the sanctuary must be clean and no other decoration must be present. And during the Black Friday, the priest will preside the celebration of the Lord's Passion. Most of our servers are not knowledgeable about this, and you're also lucky enough if your priests are strict. So guess what? We are lucky. Lastly, after the Black Friday, we then proceed to Holy Saturday or Sabado de Gloria. All of the lights inside the church is off and will only be turned on once the priest sings the Gloria. After that, the last day of the Holy Week is the Easter Sunday or Linggo ng Pagkabuhay. And the Holy Week ends there. So to summarize everything, Holy Week is the most difficult season because it requires time, effort, and sacrifices. So to end my speech here, just a reminder that a lot of things can happen in 7 days. So always choose God to be on your side. Thank you.